rounding to the nearest 10 in a pictorial way.
In this video, we'll be going from concrete to pictorial strategies. So instead of using the deans, we'll be using the counters. When you use the counters, you need to understand the value of the number because you can't count it.
We have 6,537. Remember, because we're rounding to the nearest 10, we only focus on our tens and our ones. When we round to the nearest 10, it's important for us to know how many tens are in the number and what group of 10 will come next. Here we have 3 tens for a value of 30. If we add on another 10, we will have 40.
When we solve this problem using a concrete strategy, we could use the deans to compare the ones. Now we're using a pictorial strategy with the counters, you can't compare them so easily. So you'll need to remember that when it's 5 or more ones, you need to round up, and when it's 4 or more ones, you need to round down. In our number, we have 7 ones. 7's more than 5, so that means we need to round up.
Now that we know that we're rounding up, we can move our ones out of the way and add our extra 10 in. So 6,537 rounds up to the nearest 10 to 6,540. Let's have a look at an example where we may need to round down. We have 2,384. Remember, we're still rounding to the nearest 10, so we are only looking at the numbers in the tens and the ones.
It's really important that we know which 10 we have and which 10 is coming next. So here we have a value of 80, and when we add a 10, it gives us a value of 90.
So now it's time to compare our number. If we have a look at our ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in our number. Remembering our rule that 4 or less round down and 5 or more round up, we can tell that because we have 4, we're going to round down.
Because we're rounding down, we no longer need our 10 or any of our ones. So 2,384 rounds down to 2,380. So remember, when you're working in a pictorial way, it's really important that you understand the value of each of the numbers.